updating your payment information on your Google account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account page and sign in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account for which you want to update the payment information. Step 2. Access payments and subscriptions. Once signed in, navigate to the Payments and Subscriptions section. This can typically be found in the left-hand menu or under the Manage Your Payments option. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the Payments and Subscriptions section, click on Payment Methods. Here, you will see a list of your current payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Update or add payment information. To update an existing payment method, click on the edit icon next to it. If you want to add a new payment method, click on Add Payment Method and enter the required information, such as card number and billing address. Step 5. Save changes. After making your updates, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new payment information. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on your Google account.